Everybody, Marybeth Angelelli here with the textbot AI system, and I'm really excited to share with you a brand new capture page that has been recently released by my capture page, which is a system that I've been using to continue to get great results and have continued success with my textbot system. Okay, so if you want to check this out, all you have to do is head over to www.bestsmartphonefunnel.com. Once again, that's bestsmartphonefunnel.com, and I'll pop that link in the description of this video like I always do on all of my videos, so you can check this out firsthand. Okay, and to do that, all you have to do is just enter your name here. I'll plug my name in here. Email address, phone number is optional, and then just click on show me the video. Okay, you're going to be redirected to this wonderful sales page that works very, very well. And what you can do is start at the top here and be sure and watch this entire video, okay, from start to finish. 10 minutes long, and it's well worth every minute, I promise you. It'll explain to you all about the many wonderful benefits of this amazing textbot system. It's a 10-minute presentation. You'll be able to learn how it all works and how to get started, okay? Once you watch that, that's first step. Come down here. Second step, I'm ready. Give me my number. So you'll click here, and then you're going to be able to watch the sales presentation by the creator and owner and founder of textbot, Jeff Long himself. And then to do that, you just click on continue, and he'll take you through the entire presentation that he created. And then at the very end, you'll be able to get started. It's only $100, okay? So with that being said, we'll go right back over here, okay, to this. And this is the sales page. This is my contact information. I'll put it below in the description should you have any questions about anything. 330-787-1795. Just text or call me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. This particular system, okay, is a wonderful third-party system, okay? You can review all of this, all the wonderful benefits, check everything out in its entirety. Again, it is a third-party marketing system. It's only $19.95 a month. And the best part is once you refer 3 people over to my capture page, then your monthly fee gets waived. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you. This is a system I am using in conjunction with a wonderful tool that I've been using all year with really good results. It's called SMS phone leads. Again, I'll pop that link in the description below. Let me take you over here right now. Okay, and what I do is I use this particular website to funnel leads into my textbot through smsphoneleads.com/MarybethA. That link will be below in the description. Okay, and you can check all this out for yourself. Been using SMS phone leads all year in 2020, okay, with really good results. And it's also very affordable. What I do is I use the SMS blaster to send text messages all week long with a short, simple little message, and then I include the link to my website inside. Okay, and I've got lots of videos on this. I've done live demos. It's really easy. Anybody can use this system. Simple 3-step process. All you do is you log in, you choose the SMS blaster, you type your message, and you hit the send button, okay? And you can do a send every single day. There's different options. As a matter of fact, you can start off with sending out 200 a day. They have an upgraded version that I did upgrade to not too long ago, and now I'm able to send out 1,000 text messages a day. So like any marketing strategy, folks, it's all a numbers game. The main thing is you just want to stay committed to the process and just be consistent. You know, like any business, you need leads. Leads are the lifeblood of every business out there in America today. And what I love about this is the leads are already uploaded. They're included. So you don't have to worry about buying additional leads. They're included when you become, part of your package when you become a member, okay? And it looks like this, folks. You can review all of this information, and this shows you the compensation plan. You can also take SMS phone leads, join, and resell it out there, you know, in the marketplace, and you can offer it to all of your textbot team and give them a great way to market their textbot opportunity and continue to make those wonderful $100 sales over and over again. And then there's the Ava Plus, where you can upgrade and earn $500 in commissions and utilize the expanded features and capabilities of Ava through the Ava Plus platform, okay, where you can advertise multiple businesses and use the built-in features and all the follow-up features and all the wonderful components that come with the Ava Plus. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. This is a tool that I use, and I've had great success this year in 2020 using it to continue to get exposure and share my textbot AI system with the world. Okay, so what I do is I use Facebook, my timeline, Facebook stories, and I also continue to do videos, you know, through YouTube, and that gives me some amazing free organic traffic for my textbot system. Okay, and my paid methods is SMS phone leads, so you can check that out. The link will be below in the description, smsphoneleads.com/Marybeth A. Okay, and then my other paid method is clicks and solo ads. And let me share with you one resource, and this is something that is in the back office of my capture page. This is a really good quality traffic source. They have different packages. Again, you know, just come up with a budget, start small, start from where you are and scale up, okay? MLMleads.com, this is a really good place to go, and they have some really great packages, okay? You can check that out. They've got great testimonials here as well. Lots of great features as well. And my autopilot web traffic national is a great traffic source, so you can check all that out. And you can start with only 40 clicks, folks, for $47. The next package up is 115 clicks for $113. So again, you know, start from where you are. This is a great way to get automated traffic using your My Capture Page website. All you have to do is pick the package you want, pay for it, and provide these guys with the link to your website. They take over and they will advertise your website for you, okay? Generating you leads. All right, so this is a source that I highly recommend, mlmleads.com. Go there, check it out. They have lots of packages. I like this, my autopilot web traffic national, okay? So that is something that, you know, I highly recommend. Been using these guys for a long time. They're very good. Another place that I use, and when you partner up with me, I will share with you my specific resources within Udemy. udimi.com, udemy.com, okay? Great places, great place to go for affordable traffic, okay? And I will share with you my specific sellers that I highly recommend that I've been using for a long time as well to get really good results. So again, what I do is I use my capture page and I send all of my traffic over here to bestsmartphonefunnel.com. Okay, and this is the capture page, and it redirects to a sales page with, it even comes complete with pre-written follow-up emails, so it's a complete package deal, folks. I highly recommend it, okay? And then I use Facebook, and I just do simple posts for free on my timeline, and I also make good use of Facebook stories as well, okay? I continue to upload videos for free on YouTube. So again, I have 2 paid sources and 2 free sources. So my paid sources are solo ads, and I have different resources. When you partner up with me, I will share those with you. And 2 of them that I just revealed to you on this particular video is udemy.com, very good, very reliable, and also mlmleads.com, okay? And then smsphoneleads.com, okay? So I'll put all of that information below in the description so you can check it all out firsthand. And then here's my Facebook, okay? I'll put my Facebook link below too as well, all right? And you can also connect with me there. And we can connect up here, and I'll show you how to set up your Facebook for the best results as well, okay? And how to build up engagement and all those good things that'll bring you success using free organic traffic. And then I make good use of YouTube. I've been using YouTube for a long, long time with really good results. So hopefully this information that I shared with you on how to have success with textbot, that brand new capture page through my capture page that I'm using with really good results, okay, and continued success that you can plug into as well and start to duplicate, my results and my success with TextBot. So thank you so much for spending the last 10 minutes or so with me. I hope that I've provided you with, some more value and some insight and some inspiration. And I will certainly be back on more videos forthcoming on TextBot AI. So thank you so much and have yourself a wonderful marketing week. We've got lots to be thankful for this week with the Thanksgiving holiday quickly approaching us, and TextBot AI is a system that I am very grateful for and very thankful for this year in 2020, and I can't wait to roll into the brand new year with TextBot AI and continue to grow my business and help so many more people to build their business and have success with the TextBot AI system. Thank you so much. Take care and stay safe out there this week. We'll be back at you very, very soon. Thank you.